What is up? It's your boy Aing, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we're gonna be testing out the power of the Tacoma. So I am gonna be doing a lift kit. I am gonna be putting bigger tires, and I regretted not doing this on my last truck. I didn't test the passing power of the truck, and that's what I use the most. We're taking this truck to Mexico. I'm also flying to Mexico because we would never, you know, we would never speed on the beautiful streets of the US of A. So this is for informative reasons. I don't know, there's a disclaimer that people put sometimes in these videos. I'm just not that professional. Mom, Bob, Sandy, or anybody who tells me not to speed, well, it's for YouTube. Yeah, that doesn't make it any better. I'm not speeding in this video. It was a joke. You can click off the video now. All right, so we're on the road now. We're at a stoplight. This video, I'm not gonna be talking too much. I'm mainly gonna be testing out what I can do. I wanna test this Tacoma out before I get the lift kit, before I get the wheels, before I get the tires. It's a common question. Whenever you do it, Aing, did you lose power? Aing, did you lose this? Aing, did you lose your hat? No, it's right here. That's what this video is for in the future, planning ahead. Well, we can reference this video because I too will be very much interested in wondering why my Tacoma is much slower. We're gonna be doing pulls from 40, from 50, from 60, from 30, just getting some knowledge, some information from the truck, seeing how it does. So if you're interested in this type of video, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Without further ado, there's gonna be multiple point of views. We got the GoPro, $400 for this GoPro. I've used it maybe 5 times, now 6. Enjoy. All right, so that's only been my first 2 pulls. To be honest, I think I like it better without ECT. It just feels a little bit more natural. It doesn't feel like it's stressing the engine out as much. Obviously, it's working the engine, right? We're accelerating, we're trying to get higher speeds. And well, with ECT on, it definitely feels like it's holding the gears longer, but it sounds like it's stressing it, if that makes any sense. So those were from like 0 lower speeds up to the higher speeds. We're gonna go ahead and go from like 30s, 40s, up to the higher speeds. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, so we're letting the hot rod cool off for a little bit, but I hope you guys did enjoy. I hope this video is going to be as informative and teach you a little bit something, but also, that was a pretty fun ride. I haven't driven the Tacoma like that in a very long time. It was fun. It was pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie, but it also hurt my feelings. I don't know why. I feel bad. I feel like I'm mistreating the truck. Thankfully, we're not gonna be doing that anytime soon. I think it's going to take its breather, and then I probably won't drive it until like the weekend, but nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, you already know, like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate every single one of your guys' faces. We're going to 3,000 subscribers. Are you coming with us? Yes, you are. Like, comment, subscribe. It's been your boy. I'm out like an Nadia. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.